Okay, so installing a new font in Ubuntu is very simple. The first thing you're going to want to do is just find the font. So I've gone to a site called fontspace.com and I've looked for Viking themed fonts, and I like this one over here called Norse, and I just click on download and download it like you would download anything else. Once you've downloaded it, you'll see that it should be a zipped file, and all you need to do is extract that. And once you've done that, it'll create a correct directory. In this case, this directory is called Joel Karosh, I think is the way to pronounce it, I might be wrong, _ Norse. And you just go inside of that directory and you'll see, in this case, 2 OTF files. I think you also get TTF files. The format could be slightly different, but either way, what you want to do is you just double click on it and it pops open, and you'll see over here where it says installed, that originally would have been like a green button that says install, and you just click on that and then it should change to installed once the installation is completed. And if you wanted the bold variant, for example, the same thing there. So I've already installed them, that's why it says installed. Okay, but as I said, it would be a green button that says install, and you just click on that. Then if you pop into something like LibreOffice Writer, for example, you'll be able to find Norse, there we go, as your font, and that's the new font that we've installed, and it shows up. And you can also see that I can use the bold variant or the normal one because I installed both. And that's all there is to it, very simple.